Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Creator Studio. This central hub gives access to Facebook assets. Sign into Facebook with the account tied to your page, then choose the page you want to manage. Once done, click the Creator Studio icon in the top left menu to load tools. This step matters because audio access is page-specific. Without the right page selected, you won't see available tracks. Make sure you have at least editor-level page permissions before moving on. Otherwise, audio options stay hidden. Once Creator Studio is open, navigate to the Tools or Create section where Media Assets live. Click the Sound Collection or Audio Library tab. Facebook sometimes renames it, so look for audio-related labels. Now search and filter. Choose genre, mood, duration, or license type to narrow results. These filters save time when you need a specific vibe or cleared track. Remember why this matters. Some tracks require attribution or have restrictions, so filtering prevents license surprises later when you publish. You finish by previewing the track, then either download it or attach it directly to a post or video via the Use in Video button. When you download, record the track name and license so you can credit if required. If the audio option is missing, verify your page role, switch account regions, or clear cache and try again. These fixes resolve most access issues. One troubleshooting tip: if a track won't attach, try exporting your video and re-uploading with the downloaded audio to force the link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.